I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer funds from Square to Klarna, follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your Square account. Start by logging into your Square account on your computer or mobile device. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once logged in, go to the Transfer section in your Square dashboard. This is where you can manage your fund transfers. Step 3. Select the amount to transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Enter Klarna details. Input your Klarna account details, including the account number and any necessary identifiers. Ensure these details are correct to prevent any delays. Quick gotcha: if you enter the wrong Klarna account number, the funds could be sent to the wrong place, so double check before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transfer. Review all the details you've entered, then confirm the transfer. You should receive a confirmation notification once the process is completed. I hope this guide helps you with your fund transfer. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask.